My name is Arianna.
His name is Christian, and my name is Zoey.
And today we're going to be doing the seafood challenge. So let's pray first. God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. Thank you, Lord. Now let's get started. So we're going to have
Snow crab.
the snow crab. Rawr, rawr.
We have
The corn,
the
the
potatoes,
lemon, the potato,
the lime,
the lime and lemon, and the shrimp, and
the
crawfish.
crawfish. And here's our sauces.
And the
We have
egg.
butter sauce, the red
And the
sauce,
egg.
and butter sauce.
The egg.
Oh yeah, we have eggs too. I forgot. They don't know about
So
eggs.
now let's get started.
Where was he before that?
Just kidding.
I'm trying to turn things around. I had some problems with pills after a worksite accident.
Ooh, meaty.
It's the worst. But my record is clean, so the judge said
Oh, y'all should taste this. It's
halfway
good.
that
Here,
the charges
Christian.
would be
Let's get this.
what do you call it? Expunged. Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel awful
Or it should be
about what these
good.
girls
Y'all need to try.
It's not chicken.
You're just worried that it's going to
This
spread.
should be
Crawfish.
inside.
Well, that's my point. I mean, why would I risk my recovery just to spoon some tourists? And my mother raised me as a respect women.
My mouth got to be real hot.
Right. What about your fingers?
Arianna, tell them our drinks.
They hurt.
I'm drinking some Kool-Aid.
Hot stove.
Tell them what else
The
we have.
thing is, with your
Okay, so
Water.
burn like that, we're
In case
having
we
a
finish.
so
Um,
do you mind telling us where you're from?
I'm from all over. Texas, Florida, Delaware. The military family.
excuse me, I think I'm gonna go potty.
oh, it's so bad. Yo, keep it on. It's long now. What you think?
With a girlfriend.
Guess okay.
But we didn't exactly part on
How
nice terms.
how we eat this?
So how exactly
Nothing
did
in
you
there.
Excuse
Listen,
me.
detective, I'm not getting a real sense of where you're feeling down here.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm entitled to an attorney.
I'll be back because Zoe spilled her juice.
And when we peel the snow crabs,
Yeah, because it's like kind of hard.
it's like hard to peel.
Now knows he has her record and just can't find it.
So let's go. Now let's get back to eating. Where's my dog? Oh, and
So we're going to be eating snow crabs first. I think snow crab is real good. I didn't taste it, but I think it's real good. Boy,
taste this one. I'm going to taste the
I'm fine, but thank you.
crawfish.
I just wanted to say I'm very sorry I have hurt him. You heard enough?
oh, it's good.
We all live emotionally and up all night.
Go in.
You went back to your
Okay.
Sweet home.
You done?
Stop taking that away from me.
I'll get you.
Here, Christian.
Go sit down. Go back to your spot.
Ooh.
You wanna go eat with them? Okay, go sit down. They give you your
Y'all,
food.
this was so
Okay, go
good.
get back in your spot now.
Now
give you
let's
some juice.
taste the shrimp.
Go sit down if you want some juice.
Yeah. I don't think
Okay,
that-
no juice.
So today we went to the twins' birthday.
Today we
Also,
went
shout out to the
Twins'
twins.
birthday.
Mhm.
It was so fun.
I'll shout out Mari, Adam. This is good, so I can smack. I can stop smacking. Where's it?
This is good
Oh.
over. I'll try this.
John again.
Yeah, sure.
I'm eating another snack again.
I don't think it's good, but
Now I eat this. Y'all need to look up what?
two.
It was just good.
Cajun the Cajun.
Cajun the Cajun. Oh, excuse me. It's so good. Okay. Oh, it's good. Yeah. Y'all need to try all of this food.
From Tajin to Tajin, you can find them on Facebook or like any.
Find it on the internet. It's better.
These are delicious.
I mean, like, delicious. This meat about to come out. The chicken, whatever it is, but it about to come out. For real.
I'm just picking from the lobster section because it's real good.
Oh,
But I think it's time that I move on to a different section. I'm gonna go
this is so good.
since the next section is shrimp, I'll go to shrimp section. These are the ones that are having so you'll just have to twist it off and peel the shell.
You want your water?
What's up, Christian?
Then peel the shell off.
Yeah.
Because you don't want the shell on it while you're eating or it'll be nasty, so you gotta peel the shell off. Some of this stuff is already peeled because we got it from
Okay,
Tajin
go
to
get, go
Tajin.
back.
So some of this is already peeled. Wait, I just noticed that I've only tried these two sauces. I'll move on to the next one.
Those two are the same.
And he on his spot back.
Come on, Chris. Baby Chris. Want one? Get your spot, baby Chris. Baby Chris, get up.
Ooh. They had JoJo's Siwa birthday.
They had some JoJo Siwa, but I'm about to scoot closer so y'all can see me who talking. Come on, scoot over. Scoot over.
They had
big
JoJo's
man.
Siwa birthday. They had
So, they had
a
JoJo.
boat that had cake.
Yeah, that cake was good. It was like strawberry
It was
sprinkles.
strawberry
Ooh,
with
that was so
sprinkles on
good.
it. And they had a cupcake thing. It was shaped in a bow.
Yep.
And the one that has the glitter part around it, it had a lace so that it would really look like a bow. And it was a bow until everybody ate the cupcakes.
Okay. Oh, this is so good.
Excuse me for a moment. It's that season.
Stop double dipping.
These are the places
We do
we
not
put
double
skills
dip.
on. And then after this video, we're gonna go to
Stop double dipping. Stop double dipping.
Christian. You want some? You don't want it? You want the corn? You want lemon? Christian, you want this? Okay, I'll put it back. So, I heard that it's really good.
So I tried
If
it.
you tried this shrimp,
Yeah, I'm about to eat some more, y'all. Chris, come on, let's eat. We'll
this
start
shrimp
eat
with
that.
the lemon. Okay, let me show you. I'm just gonna squeeze it. Good.
I heard that people be saying, oh, clear, like Cardi B. Sorry.
Ooh.
Excuse me, y'all. Yeah, I did that. on accident. Y'all need to start trying this stuff. Cause you get that, go ahead and get the thing.
And also, you can locate Tajin when you come to your city,
Yep.
or you can do it online, or you can do it on Facebook.
Yeah. I don't know what the number is, but y'all.
Well, they had
Call them,
lobster,
they good.
but we didn't get lobster. We decided to get crawfish.
Yeah, it was like, do we get crawfish or lobster? So we got crawfish. Is this a lobster?
We had a whole bunch in that box,
Hmm.
box that it came with. So we just put all of them on there and look, because they had a lot. It's like a lot, a million a lot.
It's so hard.
I would freak out if I had this much money.
I think I'm gonna break my teeth for that.
So I'm gonna show you how to eat one. So you see the tail here? It's like this. Fold it to here. Twist it out. Suck the juice out of this one. Put it out. And then there's the meat right here. So that easy.
Oh.
A little bit spicy. I need some drink. He's missing all the good stuff. So sorry, Christian. So
Stop.
if you can.
Little boy.
Ooh.
Ow.
So
How about I tell y'all something real funny?
and this sauce are good. So I'm gonna just combo it together.
Okay. Christian. Christian. So we took Christian bath. We had to put all that powder on him. He gonna splash the powder in our face.
And then I got it in my nose and I had to start coughing.
Move your big head out the way. Look how bad he is. See how bad? This is so good. Look
He
at
put
this
his
over
finger
here.
in it.
Look at this big one.
Good, look it.
Oh, y'all want to see him try a lemon? It's gonna scare the mess out of him.
Nope, look it.
Look, he already tasted one.
Well,
Whoa!
tasted
Made Christian sit down.
So
I dare you put that thing in my shoes.
so he just
Ouch.
eating that. I guess it's good to him. You want some sauce, Christian?
Yeah.
You want some drink?
Burn
Where's his drink at?
Look what he doing.
No! You. Okay, so I'm just
Don't
gonna
put
move
it on the
this
edge.
It's okay. It's gonna be a water and a juice combo.
I'm just
So what I
gonna
was trying to tell you before Christian interrupted and we had to, pause the video. Okay, Christian.
Don't worry.
Ow. Ow.
Go, bear.
Come on, let's go.
I'm at show.
Yeah. Give me my stuff.
I'm gonna
This is my napkin of it. You want that? Okay.
Wait,
So Arianna's gonna give you an entertaining video with the lobster while I get Christian out, okay? Okay. So just watch.
Look at the fat ones. Look how fat that is. This is kind of heavy, got fat weight. Oh,
Go play.
this
Go
one.
play. So y'all got Christian go play with the balls. Hopefully that makes him stay.
Oh,
So I'm just gonna scoot to the middle so y'all can see me better since he's
here.
out.
Hmm?
He.
So
You wanna
Christian.
sit down?
So
You
what
wanna
I was
sit
gonna
down?
show you before I
Don't get
got
back up. Don't
rudely
play with the food,
interrupted
okay?
again,
Go.
I'm just going to show you the combo.
We'll give you one more
I don't know
chance.
how this is gonna taste, so
Okay.
I really got interrupted again.
I still gotta rep it. And again. Ooh, I'm about to eat this stuff. So you better stop playing. And come on. Cause I'm about to eat this stuff.
So got wipe my eyes. What is it, kid? I need paper.
It got eyes. It got eyes.
Your eyes.
I think all of them pretty much have eyes.
It's looking
So all she's focused on right now is the eyes. So
okay, move.
my day was great because it's Saturday and Saturday
Yeah,
is always
Saturday is always good. Saturday is my dream.
And y'all know tomorrow is Sunday since today is Saturday. I just made it like a little combo thing. So Sunday we actually go to church because we believe in God. So We're gonna move on to the next thing. Okay, so y'all tell me if Arianna ate a potato, because she said she ate a potato. I don't.
I didn't.
Sorry.
Sorry. Excuse me, y'all.
Y'all, I'll be right back. I gotta go wipe my nose.
Look. He liked that one.
I took down. I love it.
Yes.
Carl.
Shush.
I'm gonna keep this right here in case I get sneezed again or the breath out. Woo! Okay, I'm good. So I don't know what I'm gonna try next. I gotta pick with my eyes closed. Any, mini, miny, okay? Any, mini, miny, mo, catch a tiger by a stone. If you have a little girl, any, mini, miny, mo.
You gotta try this lobster.
No, I got this.
Okay, and
So
turn the tray over.
I'm gonna taste it.
Catch a tiger, tiger toe. And you let it go. Mommy told me to pick this person up for y'all. Hey guys, we were back. It stopped again.
So
So
we're getting
we-
ready to wrap this up because it stopped on us a whole bunch of times.
Oh, we
So-
gotta.
And plus it's almost our bedtime and we're full.
So we probably see you next time.
So are we twins?
Oh no, follow us on YouTube. We
And
on
our
Facebook,
channel-
YouTube.
Our channel, well, we're on Facebook too, really. But our channel is Arianna and
And
Zoey.
Zoey. So, we got a question for y'all. Are we twins? We're cousins. And so he our cousin.
Yeah, he's our cousin.
He's just a little boy.
Go! You better not throw that, little boy.
He only 2 years old. So we're gonna, y'all
A
wanna
bad 2 years old.
who tell us who need prayer?
And we'll pray.
Tell us and we'll pray for you.
Stop.
Matter of fact, we'll pray right now. Come on, Christian.
Pray.
Our Father,
Her,
your heaven,
your hand,
happy name,
everything.
thy kingdom come,
After you come,
thy will be done
everything.
on earth
Our
as in heaven.
in heaven.
Give this day
Thank you, heaven.
our daily bread.
That is the best.
Give us debts.
That is next.
Lead us to debtors.
We're so good.
Please not. Please not. Please are not
To temptation.
to temptation. Deliver us, malivo, thy kingdom, power, glory, ever and amen.
And ever.
Okay, so bye. We'll see you
We'll
today.
see you next time
Whoa.
we do it.
You
We'll see
mean
you next time we do this.
Whoa.
Well, we'll probably see you tomorrow on
I
Sunday.
can't do it because
I think because we're going to be saving some of this food. It's so delicious.
Whoa.
And don't forget to go to, what is it? Say it, camera lady.
Cajun the Cajun.
And our camera lady is named Arianna. Kiana.
So shout out to our
It's
camera
Your
lady.
mama.
Miss
Don't call her.
Kiana.
Don't call her Miss Kiana. Call her.
It's your Annie.
Yes, my name.
So don't call her Kiana.
I call her Kiana because I got a reason to.
And he also called her cat.
Bye.
Is he dipping it in water?
Yep.
Boop. Bye. That's how the button's gonna sound. But 3, 2, 1, push it and bye.